Sharif just nailed it. We are here today with Modelones Color Cube. Before we jump in, I want to go over the user manual with you. This comes with the Color Cube. It has the nail preparation, the application guide, gel removal part, has Q&As, 2 sections, tips, warning, storage, and contact us. It's got the different forms of social media that they are on: email, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and their websites. So again, make sure you do the preparation and the application right and the gel removal right, because if you do not remove the gel right, it can ruin your nails. So, with that said, this is Keep It Low-Key, which are the nude colors. This is in a vinyl record, which I think is so adorable. Look at that. Look at how beautiful those are. It's like a little kid in a candy store, all those beautiful colors. I know I said that before, and I do mean it. I think that was genius of them. We have got 21 swatch sticks out for 21 colors. I have got my gloves here ready to put on so I don't put it on me. So I'm going to put the gloves on so I don't wear it myself. We're going to put these babies on and apply it to the swatch sticks. I'm only going to show the first 3 colors on camera. I will do 2 coats with top coat. I'll do the second coat and the top coat off camera. Let me see, where should we start? I think right here. I think right here, right here, right here. These are beautiful. Very, very creamy. Like I said, I will do 2 coats. This is coat number 1. Off to the side, I have a palette of isopropyl alcohol, as well as a dry to clean my brush. Other colors should we do? These are so beautiful, so creamy. So beautiful. These will need 2 coats, as I stated before. Our 3rd coat will be, I'm going to do this beautiful color right here. I know I'm kind of going out of order and mixing them up, but this color is just calling to me. I think it is just so gorgeous. You can find these on Amazon. Links will be in the description box as always. Look at that. Let me smooth this out. And they do self-level, like all Modelones products. Any good gel will self-level. Yes, I'm doing the 2nd coat with you instead of off camera. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Top coat, I'm definitely doing off camera. Sorry if I'm out of frame. This is gorgeous. Just look at that. I know it's bad with my color gloves. This is our 3rd color here. And the rest we will do off camera. Come back. Show you them together as a group. The final group. Finito. fresh out of the lamp. And gel polish you can play around with. You don't have to hurry and stick it in the lamp. It's not going to dry on you. It's the beautiful thing about gels. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to put these in 60 seconds. Alright, we are back. Here are our first three colors. I think these are gorgeous Model ones. And this palette is called, again, Keep It at Low Key. And we will be back shortly. Alright, we are back. This again is Model 1's Color Cube. Keep It Low Key. Get it open here so you can take a gander. There is the collection. I have swatched every color. And here they are. They are stunningly beautiful. Every last color. I can't say anything bad about any of the colors. They are all beautiful. Now if I can get them to fan out beautifully, that would be nice. I had it all before I turned the camera back on. They are all gorgeous. Every single color. Every one. They're beautiful. Hope you like. Get you a good pick. Or take a good look. Get a good look-see. See if I can lay them down, you can get a good look. I will try to zoom in. But they're beautiful. There is an iridescent one here as well, right here. That is so pretty. It'll be a good topper over a darker color, over any color really. Over any color. But these are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Great fall colors, I would say. Great fall colors. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Put on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.